Hi folks, today's topic of the video is, well, Internet of Blockchains. So do you know what are we going to talk about today? Probably some of you guessed it right, it is the project called Cosmos, or Atom if you wish. We will discuss why it is so unique among others, what advantages do they have over the competition, and most importantly, how you can earn money capitalizing on their development besides buying their coin, obviously, because, to be fair, it might not be the best option to choose from. Okay, first we must start with a little bit of history, of course. The ecosystem, technical analysis, and why Cosmos is so unique. So on the Cosmos website, cosmos.network, we can find a short but we can say a sweet description which sounds like this. Cosmos is an ever-expanding ecosystem of interconnected applications and services built for a decentralized future. It is a very broad description, as you can see. So now let's continue and check how everything has started. In April 2016, project been proposed via white paper by Jay Kwon. In 2017, Cosmos team been very happy with their successful ICO, the initial coin offering. And within less than 30 minutes, they raised more than 17 million US dollars, and finally, in March 2019, mainnet was launched and Atom token was available for trading on different crypto exchanges. Since the very beginning, Cosmos was gaining popularity. A large number of projects started to build on the Cosmos network. Number of developers been growing and the community as well. The thing worth to mention here is that the Cosmos community is very active with updates and developments via their blog. So you can of course check it on blog.cosmos.network. Okay, next we'll start going deeper into what exactly Cosmos is. Right now I will use some terms which are basically self-explanatory, so don't be confused. On top of that, I will try to summarize everything so that I'm pretty sure you all understand all of it. Okay, so let's begin with the more formal explanation. Cosmos, also known as Atom, is an expanding ecosystem of independent, interconnected blockchains. That is why it is called Internet of Blockchains, by the way. And which are built using friendly application components and connected with IBC, the Internet Blockchain Communication Protocol. The definition you can find also on website of Cosmos. So, trying to make it even more specific, Atom is a decentralized network built on Tendermint consensus algorithm. Stay with me. So now, what is Tendermint? It is an open source software for launching blockchains that allow you to write applications in any language, and even better, they can communicate with other blockchains. Making the explanation even simpler. So imagine you have a big box full of different colored marbles. Each color represents a different group of people or a community that wants to make decisions together. The IBC, the inter-blockchain communication, is like a magic tunnel that connects all of the different colored boxes together so that the groups can talk to each other and make decisions together. And Tendermint is like a boss of one of the box who makes sure that all the marbles stay in their right places and that everyone plays fair when they're making decisions. And so together, IBC and Tendermint help all the different groups in the Cosmos ecosystem to work together and make decisions in a fair and orderly way. So now I think we do have a full explanation and we are at the same page at the moment. So let's check the Cosmos ecosystem. At the top, by market cap, of course, we have Cronos, better known as Crypto.com. With more than 70 million clients around the globe, one of the world's leading crypto platforms. So the next very well-known but not necessarily trusted name currently is Terra Luna Classic. Yes, Terra Luna Classic, you heard it correctly. Still number 2 when it comes to market cap on Cosmos ecosystem. In short, one of the biggest crashes of 2022 when UST lost the peg. So, another very well-known name in that ecosystem is Thorchain, the decentralized and autonomous cross-chain liquidity network. Access to its native and cross-chain liquidity is open to any individual person, product, or institution via their website. Namely, AVAX chain been integrated and Binance Smart Chain is in the pipeline as well. So there are many more big names within Cosmos ecosystem like Osmosis, the decentralized exchange, Kava, Cadena, ANKR, just to mention a few. Full list available is of course on CoinGecko, but you can also find it on v1.cosmos.network/ecosystem/apps. So as you can see from that, it is really big and still growing communication between blockchains without the middleman. That is the future. So let's have a look at Cosmos from a price and chart perspective. In March 2020, Atom been trading well below $2, even below $150 for a while. But when the bulls market came, we have seen $30+ in May 2021, followed by crash and move back to the pre-breakout levels around $9. Next big rally in September 2021 pushed price above $40, and this level been tested 2 more times, but bulls were not able to move higher. If we add starts of the bear market, the total crash below $10 is not a surprise. Currently, we are trading within the range based on a daily chart, and so the longer the range, the bigger breakout could be. Atom is also one of mine and Peter's as well top crypto picks for 2023. So I also strongly encourage you to watch our videos on those topics on this channel as well, after you finish this one, of course. So from trading or /investing perspective, the problem might be supply, which is basically infinity for now, which means it's not like Bitcoin when you have the limited amount of coins to be minted or to be created. So, if you are going to make your research and homework correctly, you might find better opportunities within the whole ecosystem. But have in mind that Atom for sure is a sleeping beast, we can say, which is worth your investigation. Okay, so we know Cosmos from price perspective. Now it's worth to check why Cosmos is so unique. So Cosmos developers can choose to build entirely autonomous application on specific blockchains that can easily interconnect. It means that, unlike with the other leading blockchains today, developers are no longer forced to exist as smart contracts on someone else's chain. They might become totally independent. The next thing in relation to this as well is that it could finally kill the coin maximalists. Also, the interconnection has massive implication when it comes to the future of DeFi, future of NFTs, marketplaces and social networks, to mention just few. Cosmos has a built-in governance mechanism that allows for the efficient management and upgrading of the network. It also does what it can to make developers' life easier by providing a software development kit, the SDK, so they can build and deploy dApps on the Cosmos network more efficiently. And so guys, that's it for today, that's it for this video. If you of course want more content like this, simply subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.